Katzanne's metallic thread chains range from 20 to 22 inches in length. Glass and crystal beads are stitched into the chain to add more than a decorative touch. Not only are the beads color coordinated to match the pendant, but they also allow you to adjust the chain length to achieve the best effect depending on which outfit you wear. Katzanne's handmade Swan clasp system is easy to work, even for the most fumbling fingers. Just hook the Swan clasp around a bead to change the necklace from a matinee length to a choker, princess length to a collar, whichever you need at the time you need it.